So today in this video I'm going to share with you 5 CPA marketing tips that you need to follow if you are promoting any of the CPA offer. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the 5 CPA marketing tips that you need to follow if you are promoting any of the CPA offer or even affiliate offers also. So the number one tip is that you have to always make sure you choose a good CPA offer. A lot of time I've seen that people just open Max Bounty or any of the CPA network like Toro Advertising, Argan Advertising or any of the CPA network. They just simply log into that and they like choose the offer according to the payout. Like this offer is good NordVPN, it has $20 payout, and this offer is good Norton Secure VPN, it has $20 payout, and this offer is Bullguard antivirus, it has $48 payout. So they choose the offer on the basis of the payout. So you don't have to think like this. You don't have to take decisions like on the basis of the payout. You have to make sure that you open the landing page of the offer, analyze the landing page of the offer, analyze the market, that is the product converting well now or not. You have to always make sure to check the EPC of the offer also, and what device are allowed, and is the landing page opening up like quickly on the mobile device or not. So you have to make sure you check all of these things before you even consider any offer to promote. If you want to know like what are the things to know before you even consider an offer to promote, I've already made a video on this topic in which I've explained everything clearly. So if you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in description. You can go there and watch that video. The second tip is that you have to always make sure to choose a good traffic source. A lot of time, especially for beginners, when they don't have much budget to run paid ads and when they are just starting out, they choose cheap traffic sources like pay-per-view traffic, pop traffic, and push traffic to promote their affiliate or CPA offer. They think that they are spending less money and they are getting huge amount of clicks like 5,000, 50,000, 1 lakh clicks, but the quality of the clicks that you are getting on your landing page and you are getting on your affiliate offers or CPA offer is very low. So the amount of conversion rate that you are going to get is also very low. So like for example, you can see here a website named Tonic, and they offer mostly pop traffic and pay-per-view traffic. So the amount of traffic and amount of clicks that you are going to get on this type of traffic source is very high, but at the same time the money that you are going to pay for a clicks is very low, and also the quality that you are going to get is also very low. So I would request you to not go for these type of traffic sources. Always make sure to choose a good traffic source like Facebook, Google, YouTube, Bing and Instagram. Even you are paying a little bit high CPC on those traffic sources, but the quality of the traffic that you are getting is very high. Therefore you will be getting a high conversion rate as compared to the conversion rate that you are getting on the cheap traffic sources. The third tip is that you have to always focus on one thing, one traffic source, one niche. A lot of time I've seen that people just log in into the CP networks, and sometimes they are promoting the skin product, sometimes they are promoting a e-com product, sometimes they are promoting a VPN, sometimes they are promoting a make money online offer. So you don't have to do like this. You have to always make sure that whatever niche you are going to promote, you have to stick to that niche. You don't have to change your niche again and again, because when you start promoting offers from same niche again and again, you gain experience in that niche, and by even looking at the offer you can decide that you have to go with this offer or not, you even have to promote this offer or not. So always make sure to choose a niche and stick to that. And also with the traffic source, like if you have thought that I will be using Google ads or Facebook ad or Bing ad to promote my offer, so make sure to always use Google ad first. Master Google ads, and when you master that traffic source, you know ins and outs of the traffic source, then you can go to another traffic source of that same category like Bing ad, because Bing and Google are both search traffic. So once you have mastered Bing or Google, then you can go on the other traffic sources. But don't just jump from one niche to another and one traffic source to another. Also, let's say for example, you have seen some video on YouTube, the person was using native ad to promote his offer and he was getting good results. So now you thought that I will be also using native ad to promote my offer, but after some time you thought that no, native ads is not working for me, it's not good, and you now have seen some another video on YouTube, the person was using Google ad to promote his offer, and now you say that I will be also using Google ad to promote my offer. So don't do like this. Always focus on one niche and one traffic source at a time. The fourth tip is that you need to decide like what budget you will be using to promote your offers using paid ads. A lot of time I've seen that people don't know the exact amount of budget they have to promote their offer. They say that I will be using $100, $200, $500, but you don't have to think like this. Always make sure that whatever budget you have decided that you are going to use to promote your offer, always make sure to keep that budget aside. So when you are promoting your offers through paid ads, even when you are not getting results, you know that this is the amount of budget that you are going to spend in the ads, and you are not going to spend even a penny after this budget. The fifth and the last tip is that always split test your landing pages, your ad copies, your keywords, your time, device, IP address, city, state, pin code. Test each and everything. A lot of time I've seen that people don't even test their landing pages, their ad copies. They are so lazy that they don't even consider to create a new landing page in order to get a good conversion rate. They keep using that landing page for years and years. You don't have to do this. Always make sure to test each and everything in your campaign, so that when you will test, you will get to know like which ad copy is giving you better conversion, which landing page is giving you the better conversion. So the more you will split test, the more you will be able to optimize your campaign and increase the profitability of your campaign. So these were the 5 CPA marketing tips that you need to follow if you are promoting CPA offers through paid ads. So I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.